Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning. Route 9 Johnny here. As I promised in my last video, I showed you my Brampton in my how I packed it in my van, and I promised you I'd show you the electric bicycle that I have as well. Again, as a reminder, I got the Winnebago Solus XP. It's a high top ProMaster 3500. Year is a 2023. So it's got a little storage space in the back, which is, I think, worth its weight in gold. I don't need to hang anything out the back. I can put my 8 pairs of snow skis in the back. I can put 2 or 3 mountain bikes back there. I can throw in my electric bikes. This thing's a beast. Anyway, let me show you how this thing packs up for the XP electric bicycle. So let me this fits in the back of my ProMaster. Got the ProMaster high top 3500. As you heard me say before, it's a Winnebago Solus XP. It's got the extra foot and space in the back, which is nice. So I can put like 6 pairs of skis back here in the back. I can put my mountain bikes, road bikes, e-bikes, all kind of stuff back here. So you can see the XP electric, I can only fit 1 back here. So if I bring 2, I have to put 1 back here on the bike mount, which is tough because these electric bikes have fenders. And as you know, with the bike rack I have fenders, it works, but it's really difficult. So I'm going to take this down. I'll put my Brampton up here so you can see the difference. But that's my electric bike folded up in half. It only folds once, right down the middle, and the handlebars go over. I'll take this down and I'll show you my Brampton now. Hold tight. Here's the Brampton. You can see the size comparison. Night and day. I could literally put, I'm sure if I got rid of my propane stove and everything back here, I could put 3 of these back in the back of my van. So I'll put these down on the ground and you can see again the size difference, and I'll unfold them so you can take a look at that as well. So take a look at this. I got them both on the ground right now, and you can see the difference right here. This is the electric, and it's the XP model. And you can see how it folds up. It's nice, it's small. I can get in the back of it like I showed you, but it's not that small compared to this. Look at that sweet thing. It's unbelievable. Big difference, guys. Big difference. Now, let me unfold these so you can see how they unfold. Hold tight. Let me do the electric, the XP model, so you can see the difference here. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Just kind of lift up here, swing the back around, locks that way, locks that way. There you go, folks. 50 pounds, 49 pounds. I know I make it look light because I've been working out, but let me tell you, if you're a slight woman or a slight man and you gotta lift it up into your van, well, it's a bit heavy, but it works. Now let me show you the Brampton. I've showed you that before, but let's look again. I've seen this before, but I'll show you again. This is unfolding the Brampton. Again, I've only done this a few times, both times actually to show you all, but here it goes. Lift the seat up, throw the back up, straighten out the handlebars, tighten the thumb screws, lift the handlebars, tighten these thumb screws, turn it around, you're ready to go. Pretty damn simple. Let me show you the difference in sizes over here. Hold on. Here's the size comparison here. Good 50 pounds below and 20 something above. Brampton. They don't compete against each other, folks. They both have different purposes as far as I'm concerned. This is just a quick, fast, light get out, festivals, run to the bathroom at the campgrounds. And this one's for touring. This takes the place of a small car. I can go up to 75, 80 miles on this electric bike. So let me go over some other information that you might find useful. Both these bikes have a different purpose for me. That one's a quick, just throw it out on the road, get it going, get from the campground to the shower, at a festival, something that's no big deal. This one I use more for like I guess like a car, more like for transportation. For example, if you saw my video, we were in Cape Cod and we did a good 45, 50 mile loop on these things. I can use them to go to the grocery store, CVS. I could just run errands while I leave my van parked at the campground or anywhere else. It's also good off-road. It's got the big 2-inch tires. It's got the front suspension. So it's decent. It's my 3rd year. And I tell you the truth, I have beat the hell out of this thing. I have a rack for the back. I got a rack in the front, so I can carry a lot of stuff. It's got 150-pound maximum load capacity in the back. And there's been plenty of times that I've used this where I've put Southside Susie on the back to give her a short ride. Anyway, I wrote down a few things so I don't mess up here. The range, 70 to 80 miles. If it's flat, up here in Vermont, I get about 40, 50. Keep an eye on the battery though. I don't want to run out. I can manually pedal this without a battery, but it's heavy and you can't go for very long. Top speed's about 20 miles an hour. That's on the level. Going downhill, you can do 40, 50, whatever. Anyway, the rear hub puts out 300 watts. It's big. 819 is the peak watts on this. Hydraulic brakes, they work really well. It's got the 2.5-inch tires, so like I said, it's good off-road. Folks, like I said before, it's a decent bike for getting around, and for $9.99, man, you can't go wrong. I still think, even 3 years ago I paid that, and I think they're the same price now. So, 2 good choices to take with you on your van trips or in your car. These both will fit in your car with no problem at all. So if you want another mode of transportation, let's say you want to go sightseeing, let's say you're in Rhode Island and you want to go see some of the mansions, but you want to drive around that big car, you take your electric bike. Have 2 of them. You could put 2 of these in the back of your car. So that's it for now. I hope this helps a bit and makes your decision. This is a lot more expensive, but again, light is fast, man. Quick, light, agile. I could take it out in a heartbeat. No issues. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes my comparison between an electric bike and Brompton. 2 fine choices. You can't go wrong with either. But as I said, each one has a different purpose. Do what I do, just buy 2. Life is short, what the heck. Anyway, my name again is Route 9 Johnny. The name of my van is Bjorn. If you see us on the road, make sure you stop and say hi do. Hey, and if you like this, give me a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing. It'll help the channel a lot. Okay, this is it for now. You all have a good time out there, whatever you do, life's short. Make sure you hug those people that you love. Give them a call. Tell them you're thinking of them. It's amazing what a phone call can do. We'll talk to you all later. Happy trails again, everybody.